Let me show you the trades that are already closed on Monday morning, April the 21st, 2025. So this is one of the first trade was gold. These are the Renko charts, by the way, right, that I'm using with my system and my automated trading robot, CTS6. So this is the first one is gold for 320 pip. This is right there is the entry. And you can see here the entry, the buy order here, and SL is moved break even plus, right? So this was the entry setup, and this trade is taken by this EA, that CTS 6, that it is like an automated robot, right? So this is the first one. The second trade entry was last Friday. So you can see here we have 1, 2, and then this is where the entry was. Sell order is right there. SL move to break even plus, and nice and clean for 175 pip. This is USD yen on the 20th. Sunday, last night, right? Yesterday. Today is Monday, 21st. So this is the second trade. The third is pound USD, went up nice and clean for 120 pip. The entry was also last Friday. And this is gold again. The first one closed, then it retraced, and second entry is right there today, Monday morning. Buy orders right there for 100 plus pip. Right, so these are the four trades already taken and closed before the end of. I mean, this is just the morning, Monday morning. So Sunday when the market opened up, I had a couple of trades open already over the weekend. So those two, and then two more entries, four trades already closed using the system, and all of these four trades are closed using by this CTS5 robot, automated trading robot. So that what it does is that, let me show you quickly. This is what I'm talking about. Let me show you the window. CTS6 window. This is my EA window. Now here, so these are the options that you can have, what chart you want, and the what side you want, long only, short only, or both, time frame, and break even plus, move to break even plus, stop loss, target, all of these settings you can set this EA according to these settings, and then let it go, and when the setup is there, it opens the trade automatically. And this is how exactly this is using the same thing I just showed you, the trades that I have taken already, right? Now, if you go on my website, you will see last week, let's say recent trades. I always use this auto trading robot, right? So last week the trades were 16 trades because the last week was very slow, right? Before that, you can see 34 trades in 1 week using the same auto robot, right? It's expert advisor basically, right? And before that, week after week after week, I see 26 trades in 1 week. So I have posted here, several years of trades. See, 30 trades in a week. All of these trades are taken by this robot, right? Big trades. So look at this one for 770 pip, 90 pip. This one is 670. This US 30 is always too big, right? So 105, 205, 165. So these are, the trades. Now, so if you like what you saw, and then you want to see how it works, and you want to see the detail and learn more about this EA, then you can go on my website. Let me show you the website. This is creativetradingsystem.com. It is right here. Whoops, where it is? Right here, right? We were on the website, by the way. So you can come here, and then you can see that I have a couple of robots. And this is where the CTS6 robot is here. One-on-one coaching, if you want to learn from A to Z, every single thing about the forex trading or any trading, right? You can trade with this system, with this robot. You can trade commodities, forex, or indices, or any stock market, anything. As long as the chart is open in MT4, this work only in MT4, right? So you can have this, and then, like I said, that you can learn in one-on-one 10-hour course. And this, if you don't want to learn or have one-on-one, then you can simply sign up for the courses, the powerful courses, tons of information you're going to have. Elliott wave course, harmonic pattern course, right? And a very creative way of trading, by the way. It's not like the regular. I mean, I teach you exactly how to trade these patterns, even if they are failed, how to manage and then trade them anyway. Right. So this is it for now. Like I said, that if you like to get this robot, then come on my website here, learn more about it. If you have any question, email me, right? And I'll answer you happily and then take it from there. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful trading week.